So today we're out here at Banner Marsh, real close to Canton, Illinois. An Ameren Illinois crew was out today to set not one but two 35-foot poles, and we were partnering with the Illinois Department of Natural Resources, and we put platforms on top of these poles to attract birds of prey known as ospreys.
We selected Banner Marsh as a potential nesting site for these osprey. Number one, they're an endangered bird in Illinois. Number two, they rely heavily on fish for survival, and so we have a lot of marsh water here. As part of our selection to set these nest structures, they need the view of water to find their food.
The roads are gravel, they get very soft, so we had to wait for the ground to freeze for our large digger derrick to be able to get in here to set the poles.
The Illinois Department of Natural Resources can't express enough thanks and gratitude to the company of Ameren. They've been great with us in donating their time and help, and hopefully we have a successful osprey nest season this year.